Welcome to UNV Academy. In this episode we are going to show you the maintenance of cloud managed switch. Let's get started. First, login web page. We can see the system option in the toolbar on the left. Click on the drop-down menu. The third option is device maintenance. Click it to go to maintenance page. Pay attention to the top prompt. Software upgrades. System restarts and restoring defaults will restart the device. The device will be disconnected during restart. The first function is device upgrade. Here we can choose the file path that we have saved in advance. Select programapp.bin. Open. It will be selected. Click on Upgrade. OK. The device will be upgraded and restart. After restarting, log in again and back to the maintenance page. The second one is device config. Here we can restore defaults by one click. Select the file path here to import the config file. We can export config as a file. And the logs are the same. The last one is restart device. The device will restart by one click.